What is going on, my people? It's your boy Denzel Effects, and we are back again with another video. So basically, like I said in the previous video, if I got 50 likes on my last video, I'm going to turn this 100k the funded trader thing into a series. So yeah, I've literally reached 50 likes today, and today is literally Monday the 4th of September. So yeah, the plan right now is basically we're going to trade on this account. We're going to document a few trades and all that kind of stuff, and see where this goes. So basically today's the 4th of September. I've taken the first trade 0.01 on GU, and I'm actually in a trade on US30, which I'll talk about in a second. But obviously I've taken my first trade today, and yeah, 30 days from now, which will be the 4th of October, hopefully we can get a nice payout from the funded trader and all that kind of stuff. So now let's talk about the trade I had taken on US30. So earlier on today, I took a trade on US30. I went for a buy, and yeah, I got taken out minus 1.5%. It is what it is. These things happen, you know. And yeah, so one thing we need to talk about right now is the fact that whenever you enter a trade, you need to understand that not all your trades are guaranteed to take profit. Some trades will literally hit your stop loss, and there's nothing you can do about that. It's part of the game. And secondly, another thing we need to discuss is basically you need to allow your trades to do its thing. And obviously if it hits stop loss, allow it to hit stop loss. Do not make that silly mistake everybody makes in thinking, okay, I'm long, and basically I want this trade to play out and go for the buys. And obviously because you have this mindset, what's going to happen is the fact that your SL is going to be hit, number one, and number two, you're probably going to make a stupid decision and remove your stop loss thinking you're going to go long each time. And obviously what happens next is the fact that you're going to hold on to your losers and don't let your winners run. That's basically what that means. So basically I took an L literally this morning on open of the NY session, and after I took that L, I reanalyzed the chart. I took a screenshot of my setup to see basically what happened, and yeah, I documented the whole thing, put into my notes how I was feeling before and after the trade. The reason you need to write down how you feel before and after is so that you are aware of your emotions in case you jump into the markets again. So literally after I did that, I saw another opportunity in the markets. Instead of me to think long, let me see what happens if I have a neutral bias. So instead of me going long again, I went for a nice short opportunity inside the market. And literally right now we are running 2k in profit, but that's not the 2k of the account balance. So as you can see right now, we are running 2000. Well, yeah, we're running a little something, a little 1k, and the balance is actually 10,000. It's actually 100,400, as you can see, if that loads correctly. But yeah, that is the live account anyway. So basically what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let this trade run, see where it goes. We're up literally 0.4%, which is okay. You can do a lot of things with €400, $400, but the aim of the game is we're going to try and set a target of maybe 10% by the 4th of October. So that's my mindset right now. I'm going to try and gain 10% by the 4th of October and see where that goes. Another thing is the fact that even if I don't get the 10%, it's okay. It's only a target. I don't have to reach it, but obviously it would be nice to get there. And anything above 0 is literally a bonus. That's one thing we need to understand when you trade. Stop having this mindset that, you know, instant gratification, you're going to get paid every single time. Sometimes it's okay to get a payout of 2k. Sometimes it's okay to get a payout of literally €500 because you are richer than you were yesterday without that money. And that's why you need to have that mindset. Sometimes take what the market gives you. Don't try and squeeze extra shit. Don't try and do anything else that's, you know, pulling you back and all that kind of things. So yeah, right now we're literally floating 1,900. If this trade plays out, It's a nice 1:9. So basically, if my take profit get hit, we're looking at a profit of 9,700, and you know that's what we're on right now. And if it doesn't get hit, then it is what it is. Tomorrow is a new day. We're gonna look for new opportunities to trade and see where this goes. So yeah, this is literally episode 1, whatever you want to call it. We'll see what happens now. I'll give you guys an update shortly on how this goes. So maybe later on tonight or tomorrow morning before our London session, I'll show you the account and all that kind of things. I will screen record this trade at the moment and pop it on screen somewhere here so you guys can see what I'm seeing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Yo my people, so basically it's the next morning and it is 9 o'clock, 5th of September, as you can see, all phones, 5th of September. And yeah, so right now what we're doing is we're basically keeping an eye on the news over here on our Bloomberg, as you can see, just making sure we're in line with what's happening in the markets. And yeah, so our trade right now is literally pushing P in nice bit of profit, as you can see, US30. Now we are floating about 2% in profit. I'll just show you here on the phone as well. So this is the trade setup here at the moment, and right now this is what we're looking like. Boom. Once that focuses, as you can see, we're up 4% but 2% in total on the account. And yeah, same account as usual. So this is the week, as you can see, if it focuses. Wow. But yeah, so right now we're literally seeing what the latest news update is, so we can take a look at London session. And other than that, yeah, we're just gonna see where this goes. And basically, obviously the target is 10K, so we'll see what that's saying. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next clip. So my people, what's happening right now? It is Wednesday. It's the following day, still in the same bleeding trade, and there's a nice little update. We are floating, as you can see. The numbers don't lie. If this thing reflects, boom. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna close out this trade because I don't want to get too greedy and all that kind of things. And yeah, so basically it's now the following day. We've been in this trade for 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like I said, we took a loss the first day, then we made it back, holding this trade, and right now it's literally just playing out exactly to what we want it to be. And the target was to reach 10%. We're running 11% in equity. But yeah, we'll see how far it goes at the moment. I will quickly just screen record basically the account here so you guys can see this is no fugazi. And yeah, so after this, the plan is we're literally going to try and look for more setups sometime next week, because what we don't want to do in this game is after you've made your P's, made your money, you don't want to give it back to the market. So basically the next thing I'm trying to do now is look for my next setup for the following week and basically just see where we go from there. And obviously, like I said, the payout date should be the 4th of October. So in between then, I will be showing you guys some other things here inside the market. So yeah, right now we're literally running 110. Literally 10% target has been reached, 10K profit. So yeah, I'm gonna literally just close out this trade now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next part of this video.